So here are the fifth and sixth examples para sa differentiation of exponential functions. It says we're going to determine dy over dx, and if we can simplify the resulting derivative, simplify natin. Example number 5 is y equals ln quantity e to the x times x squared. So gamit yung ating, hindi muna natin magagamit yung formulas natin, ikalawang formulas natin in finding the derivative of these functions. What we're going to do, kunin muna natin yung derivative ni ln or the logarithmic function. Okay? Ano ba yung formula natin doon? We have derivative ng ln u is equal to 1 over u times du over dx. Ang u natin dito, yung nasa loob, e to the x times x squared. Yun muna ang ating first step. Gamit yung formula ng derivative ng logarithmic functions. We have dy over dx is 1 over e to the x squared times derivative nito. Yan. We have e to the x squared. Yan. So, magpa-product rule tayo dito. Hindi pa rin tayo gagamit ng formula na to. Yung product rule natin is first derivative of the second plus the second derivative of the first. Okay? So, we have 1 over e to the x squared. So, we have the first derivative ni x squared is 2x plus x squared derivative ni e to the x, yun, saka palang gagamitin. Is equal to e to the x times derivative of u, which x is equal to 1. So, hindi na kailangang isulat pa. Basic yon ng ating differentiation formulas. So, we have 1 over e to the x squared. We have 2x e to the x plus x squared e to the x. Okay? Factorable dito si x e to the x. So, we have 1 over e to the x squared. Factorable si x e to the x. We have 2 here plus x here. Okay? So, pwede natin makancel yung e to the x. Pwede matanggal yung isang x here sa baba. So, ang matitira na lang is dy over dx. So, dy over dx is equal to, on top, we have x plus 2. Sa baba is just simply x. Okay? X plus 2 over x is our final answer para sa example number 5. Okay? Okay, para sa last example natin, example number 6, papansin natin yung ating equation is not written explicitly in terms of x. So, it's not in the form of y equals f of x. So, this is written implicitly. So, we're going to apply implicit differentiation. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, magdi-derivative tayo both sides of the equation without arranging the equation in terms of x or in the form of y equals f of x. Okay? So, implicit differentiation tayo. So, derivative ng left side, we have e to the xy plus ln x plus y. Xy. Okay? Equal to derivative ng right side with respect to x. So, derivative nito plus derivative nito. Okay? So, anong derivative nito? Gamit yon, e to the u times du over dx. So, we have, kopyahin lang yung formula, e to the u is xy. So, we have e to the xy times derivative ni xy. Okay? How about this one? So, gamit yung ating formula sa logarithmic function, this is equal to 1 over xy times derivative ni xy. Okay. Pwede natin factors xy dito, pero sundin na lang natin yung rule of differentiation. Derivative ng 3 is 0. Okay? So, we have e to the xy plus times x derivative ni y plus y derivative ni x. Okay? Plus 1 over xy x derivative ni y plus y derivative ni x. Okay, ilagay natin to. Equal to 0. So we have e to the xy. That is x dy over dx plus y. Okay? Plus 1 over xy. We have x dy over dx plus y dx. Sorry, y na lang. Equal to 0. So, i-factor natin actually common ito. So, pag pinactor natin yon, okay, pag na-distribute na lang natin isa-isa. So, we have e to the xy, x dy over dx, plus y, e to the xy, plus, we have cancel yung x here, so matitira ay 1 over y, dy over dx. Plus, cancel yung y here, matitira ay 1 over x na lang. This is equal to 0. So, pagsamahin natin yung ating mga dy over dx, at yung wala yung dy over dx, ilagay natin sa kanan. So, we have e, purahin ko na to. So, we have ito, at saka ito, may a1. So, we have e to the xy, x dy over dx, plus 1 over y, dy over dx equal to, this will become negative, so negative 1 over x minus y e to the xy. Okay? And then, factor natin si dy over dx. So, we have dy over dx is equal to e to the xy times x plus 1 over y. Equal to LCD natin, then factor natin si negative sign, negative 1 plus xy e to the xy over x. Okay? Then, tanggalin ko to. LCD natin, then divide natin. So, we have dy over dx is equal to negative 1 plus xy e to the xy over x divided by this. Okay? So, x, cross-multiply natin, that is xy e to the xy plus 1 over y. So, nag-LCD na ako. Babaliktad lang. So, we have negative here, 1 plus xy e to the xy over x times y over xy e to the xy plus 1. Lagyan natin sa buong parenthesis. So, pwede natin cancelin yung 1 plus xy e to the xy kasi parehas na parehas naman. So, therefore, ang final na answer natin is just negative y over x. Negative y over x. Okay? So, I think may madali dito yung aking, kung pinactor ko agad yung dy over dx. Kasi parehas na makukunin natin yung derivative of xy. So, mas madali siguro magiging result. Okay? But for now, I have here the answer using different formulas. We have derivative of a product, derivative of the logarithmic function, and derivative of exponential function. So that is the last example in finding the derivative of exponential functions. Thank you.